Good morning, everyone. This is Peter from Dawn, and today, welcome to Dawn Living Room. So, today we came into Dawn Mold Plastic Factory here. And Dawn Group was founded in 1991, and now we have set up a full production line, such as plastic raw materials, plastic mold, plastic parts, and PP plastic compounds, and final plastic parts. Also, we have some another factories. So today, I only take you to visit our Dawn Mold factory and plant. As you know, mold has a very important part in the plastic machinery. When you purchase some plastic resins or compounds, you need use the mold to produce the final parts, such as injection or blow or another die casting. So I will give you a brief introduction of Dawn Mold Plastic Factory. And in front of the building, that is the injection mold plant. For Dawn Mold Plastic, currently the coverage rate of automotive interior and exterior precision mold and injection mold products reaches around 80%. So from Dawn, we are the professional manufacturer of automotive parts, interior and exterior trim parts, seat system, accessories and shock consumption. Now we are coming to the injection mold plant. This region is just a spare stock and spare plants. You can see the orange pellets. As I mentioned at the beginning of the live show, Dawn has set up the full production lines. For example, the plastic raw materials. That is polypropylene, produced by Hong Energy in Ningxia, China. This is a copolymer for the injection molding. So that means Dawn has the cost advantage because we cooperate with many petrochemical factories in China. Hello, Joseph. Welcome to our living room. You can see the orange pellets. Enter into the mold, the injection to get the final parts. Hello, Joseph. So are you from Australia? And from the several years, we developed the mining blasting equipments. So ex- we have exported to Australia. From the video, you can see we have many injection molding machine, plastic machine. This is also injection part. Our clients customer that is Grammar, a very famous customer in the world. We are the top supplier of the Grammar for the automotive seat system, right? So, but this is not the final parts. Maybe there's some spare material. And all the plastic parts, when we loading into the container, the packaging is the paper box. It's paper box. Ah, here, that is several injection molding. Waiting for the inspection. I will give you a detailed short video about the pallet production. So this is a brief introduction of the injection molding plant. And now I will take you to visit the molding plant. This is the injection molding procedures. And in front of this building, that is mold plant. So currently done mainly for the injection molding. Also, we can produce the rubber molding. And we have already get some new inquiries from the European and the United States for the die casting mold. These several equipment for molding processing. We purchased them from Japan, Switzerland, Germany, Canada, and also small part from China, Beijing. This is the molding office. And in the front of the machinery, we are producing the injection mold for Germany customer. For the automotive interior. As I introduced at the beginning of the living, um, now we are mainly for the automotive injection mold, but for another applications such as the healthcare and home appliances or others, so we can set the customers' special requirements, and then we can finish the mold design, mold assembly, and mold producing. Then finally we can ship them. This is a small mold. We design and then produce them for Germany customer, and their final application is automotive shock absorption system. Now we are supplying to the biggest customer in the world, that is Webcastic Germany. In order to maintain our mold quality, we have to some handcrafts for the mold designing. That means in this kind of plant, some of the parts is produced by the handcrafts, and opposite that is fully automotive. This factory is Dawn Mold Plastic new factory. It is established in 2020. That means you can see the lamp is very clear. This machinery is from Korea. It's a fully automotive. So this is a brief introduction of Dawn Mold Plastic Factory. If any query, please send an email to our email address. Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Glad to see you. Bye.